Menteri Rangba Kejela Korat Sangma, ulai kendu ya Union Minister of Coal and Mines, G. Kishan Reddy, Hanong ba Delhi, badulo Kwah, bak sorkar kan ai sa Kejela, hapo ka Kyndon arpun riu jong ka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation a kat kandai spa san punyo. Bat ban ai jeng menjur ya ki mining plan na kabenta udawyong. Kanik sinjam Menteri Rangba ulong bakan ai lat, ya ki hajar ki riulum, kibadon ni kipar kabarit bakin yo ya ki mineral concession bat kejing ibit kibadon kam hapo kejelahi ya Menteri Rangba la seranda ka Santa Mary Shela MLA kesutengah saipung kawi ni ki constituency kibadon buntam kapar dewyong ha kejelah.
We just had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive, and Honorable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we will be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way, which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small-time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honorable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.